Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making delicious chicken rolls that are super easy to wipe up and bursting with flavor. Let's dive in. First up, grab a pot and add some water, a pinch of salt, and a little ginger and garlic paste. Bring it to a nice boil. Once it's bubbling, pop in the chicken and cook it until it's perfectly tender. Now for the dough. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt and a splash of oil. Work it together until it feels sandy. Then gradually add water and knead it into a soft, smooth dough. Cover it up and let it rest for about 30 minutes. For the filling, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Toss in onion, ginger paste, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, and turmeric powder. Saute until it smells amazing. Add a splash of water and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Then stir in potatoes, yearly bean, and green peas. Let them fry for a few minutes before adding more water to cook the veggies. Once the veggies are tender, add tomato and chili for a pop of color. Then mix in soy sauce, salt, black pepper, and shredded chicken. Give it a good stir. Now let's assemble. Roll out the dough into thin circle and trim two sides neatly with a cookie cutter. Brush the edges with flour and water paste to act as glue. Add a generous scoop of filling in the center. Fold it up. And seal it tightly with a little extra paste. Time to fry. Heat oil and carefully deep fry the rolls for 3 to 4 minutes. Until they're golden brown and crispy. Let them cool just a bit, then dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Justful Bites for more delicious adventures. See you next time. Happy cooking!